Community colleges and HBCUs play a critical role in preparing the next generation for the STEM workforce. Although a critical link in the STEM pathway, very little research and professional development equip faculty for preparing students for STEM success at these institutions. COVID-19 exposed glaring disparities in the education system and created disruptions to student development and learning. The impacts of a global pandemic and the social unrest required a pivot from an in-person to virtual approach. After assessing the needs of our partnering faculty, we successfully offered 2 series that kept safety first, equipped faculty with tools and strategies to promote student success in STEM while cultivating new research.
The Florida Caribbean Lewis Stokes Regional Center of Excellence series, Developing and Modeling Mindsets for STEM and Beyond, provided nearly 50 faculty from institutions across the country with a suite of interventions to better understand students in classroom environments, to promote growth mindset, to encourage active and reflective learning, and to use effective feedback strategies. In partnership with Dr. Diana Bowen from UVI, this series met a critical need among faculty abruptly thrust into online STEM courses during this COVID-19 academic upheaval. More than just learning how this worked in the classrooms, faculty were challenged to model these practices and behaviors with the use of learning technology, peer exercises, and reflective assignments. Let's hear from Dr. Verlene McSween-Missole of UVI.
And when I initially started teaching, I was very performance-oriented because that's how I was taught as well, in a performance-oriented classroom. So as I learned more about the growth mindset theory and its application, I tried to move from being performance-oriented to being progress-oriented in my classrooms. So I tried to incorporate feedback to the students. And so that feedback, I try to have that feedback be supportive, to be compassionate, and also to help the students to target, to understand where the gaps in their knowledge are, and then how they can be able to better address those particular gaps. I also like to focus on building the students' confidence as well. So many of the students, they come in thinking that maybe science isn't for them, or something that they just need to basically get through in order to get to their degree. But I try to show them that it's okay to have a natural curiosity of STEM, and it's okay to not be good at every STEM subject, but there are different levels of mastery, and they can approach those different levels of mastery with practice.